Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor to be here today.
Let me introduce myself first. My name is Dr. Aditya.
I was 15
Years experience in this IVF industry, or we call it in Indonesia, we call it bayi tabung. In English, we translate it into baby in the tube.
So maybe for some of you not familiar with IVF, IVF means in vitro fertilization. It means
We fertilize something outside the body.
here I represent PT Asa Bayi Tabung Indonesia. Asa Bayi Tabung Indonesia just established in 2021, but we are now ranked of 7 in the Indonesia for the total number of cycles. We call cycles in Indonesia.
In IVF industry, it means numbers of bayi tabung or patients. Yeah, we call it cycles. Yeah, we are now under the top 10.
Largest IVF clinic in Indonesia with only 3 years old since we
Established. Yeah, this is our founders. They are all OBGYN doctors and have experience.
more than 15 years. This is our business unit. We have IVF centers. We also have hospitals and hospital affiliates with ASA, and we
Also
also
have subspecialty services such as maternal fetal medicine services, men's health wellness clinics, and laparoscopic center, or we call minimal invasive surgery. And we also have other business units such as smart hospital system, and IVF information systems. This is the issue that
we are facing now. We have growing fertility rates in Indonesia. We also have limited access to IVF and lack of standard infertility care in Indonesia. We have rising demand for Sharia compliance medical services, especially in IVF, because in IVF we are facing
any what do you call
issue in Muslim belief, because the regulations and the rules, or maybe protocol, or even medications that content of not halal product. And we also have issue with fragmented fertility supply chain. As we know, if we want to facing the industry in here, we also have to convincing ourselves to have logistic supply that have strong enough to, especially to facing our competitive nation such as Malaysia and Thailand. This is the concept for IVF Syariah in Indonesia. We propose to build 20 clinics across Indonesia and 4 central IVF lab, and also building training and oversight center, and also supply chain company. And we now in the process for legalize our Syariah IVF protocol. This is the opportunity, for the IVF Syariah products. Sorry. Oh, ini. Sorry. Yeah, as we see, we have population for 280 millions, with 80% of them is Muslim majority. The potential numbers of IVF cycles or IVF patients in Indonesia is around 30,000 cycles of patients. As we know, Indonesia still doing less than 7,000 IVF cycles. It rather relatively small than other neighbor country such as Malaysia, Thailand, or even Vietnam. This is our concept. We are planning to establish clinic and central lab across Indonesia. And this is our key milestones. First, foundation and compliance. We already passed this phase 1, and the phase 2 is we are trying to have expansion and network building. And phase 3 is national scale and standardization, and phase 4 innovation and global recognition. So we are asking all the interested investors to help us, join with us to build the first IVF Syariah ecosystem in Indonesia. This is the fund allocations. For building 20 IVF clinics, we need around 4 million. And for center IVF laboratory, we need around 6 million. And total itself, we are only 14.7 million US dollars. This is our commitment and our support from the many Islamic organizations. This is our patients. We are gathering for education and seminar for IVF, especially we are focusing in IVF Syariah compliance services and protocols. First, this is our financial projections. The key metric for the financial projection itself around ROI more than 120%, IRR around 16 to 18%, and payback period for itself 5 to 6 years. The Asa Bayi Tabung, using the PT ABTI or Asa Bayi Tabung Indonesia is offering an exclusive investment opportunity in the joint development of IVF Syariah Indonesia for be the first integrated Syariah compliant IVF ecosystems. 20 IVF Syariah clinic, 4 central IVF Syariah laboratory, IVF Syariah research training and audit center, and IVF Syariah supply chain infrastructure. We eagerly wait the opportunity to present to interested investor to discuss and maybe adjust the investment scheme in order to realize this collaboration. And we also warmly invite you all to visit our clinic in Indonesia. Thank you once again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.